Kusekuninzi kufuneka kwenziwe ukukhusela umqela oshiwe nguba uNelson Mandela wayesakuba ngumongameli weli. Lo likhwelo elihlatywe ngumphathiswa wezokhenketho unkosikazi Mamoloko Kubayi Ngubane ngethuba kuvulwa ngokusesikweni iziko lokubonisa neliza kusetyenziselwa izinto ezahlukeneyo kwindawo apho uMadiba wanqakulwa khona ngethuba ebanjwe eHowick ngaphandle kwaseMgungundlovu.
Mhla zinhlanu kuNcwaba ngo-1962 owabe ngumengameli wokuqala wentando yabantu kuleli uDokotela uNelson Mandela waboshwa amaphoyisa ahulumeni wencindezelo lapha. Lokuboshwa kwakhe kwaholela ekutheni agcine ebhadla ejele iminyaka engama-27. Le ndawo isiyisizinda sezivakashi ngenxa yomlando wayo. Namhlanje kuvulwe isikhungo esiqukethe umlando kaMadiba.
We have a new generation that knows very little about Nelson Mandela, and also the legacy of Nelson Mandela is contested in certain areas. And as an extension of what we do at the Apartheid Museum, we felt that we should put together an exhibition which that generation could identify with.
Izivakashi esiqhamuka ke kwamanye amazwe zithi kuningi okungafundwa ngempilo kaMadiba.
To be very neutral to each other, to be positive. To whatever color, whatever religion, whatever culture you're coming from. And even after many problems in the course of the politics and course of history, to go back and be neutral and be positive.
Uhulumeni uthi kumele uvikelwe umlando kaDokotela uMandela.
It contributes to also preserving the legacy, but also narrating our own story, because if we do not tell our own story as South Africans, others will tell it and maybe perhaps end up distorting it.
Ngokusho kukaDokotela uMadiba, okubalekile akusikhona nje ukuthi siphilile, kepha ukuthi sibambele iphi iqhaza ukwenza ngcono impilo yabanye abantu. Ngaleyo ndlela ke kusemahlombe awo wonke umuntu ukuqinisekisa ukuthi kwenziwa umehluko empilweni yabanye abantu. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC. Ngise Howick.